Hi everyone, I'm Natalia Kaylin. In the last video, we talked about 11 bad Feng Shui items that block energy and create imbalance. If you watched it and discovered some of those items in your home, you probably removed them by now. And maybe as a result, you're already feeling more energy and inspiration. So in this video, let's shift gears and talk about good Feng Shui items, the ones that actually support you, bring beauty and create a vibration of prosperity, good health, joy and harmony. These are the kinds of items that make your home look beautiful and feel special. The 9 items I am going to talk about here do not possess any magical powers. They are the core pieces most people already have in their homes. But when chosen intentionally and placed in the right spot, they can make a noticeable difference in how your space looks and feels and how you feel in the space. More than that, they can uplift and expand the energy in key areas and influence your life outcomes. These are my 9 favorite Feng Shui items. I use them in my designs all the time. Living plants are very high on my list. They bring vitality, fresh energy and growth. Choose healthy and vibrant plants. Not only they're beautiful, but they will bring vibrancy and aliveness, especially in areas where energy feels dull or stagnant. Avoid spiky ones like cacti. Avoid placing spiky plants close to your bed or where you usually sit. I like plants in every room for beauty and vibrancy, but there are a few rules in Feng Shui for placement of the plants. Plants are considered to be wood element, and if placed in the east will support health and family harmony. In the southeast, plants support wealth and prosperity. I have an entire video on decorating with plants. In this video, there is a detailed discussion on what kind of plants are good and where to place them. Flowing water symbolizes prosperity and wealth in Feng Shui. A small indoor fountain or an aquarium in the right location can boost prosperity energy. Just keep the water clean and moving. There are many nuances to water placement, but in general, water fountains and aquariums are great in the southeast and north. As for the rooms, the fountains or aquariums are good in dining rooms, living rooms, but not bedrooms. If a fountain or aquarium feels like too much maintenance, water art is a good alternative. A large piece of art may even have stronger influence than a small water fountain. Once again, water symbolizes prosperity and wealth in Feng Shui, so choose your piece of water art mindfully. I do not recommend dark, stormy images, but harmonious, beautiful and uplifting art. These images are from Etsy. I will add a few links in the description for you. Mirrors are amazing objects. They can expand spaces, bring natural light and nature inside our homes. But placement is key. In Feng Shui design, we use them very mindfully and place them to open up the space and multiply something good, something that we want more of, like nature views, beautiful chandelier or art. However, you need to be careful and make sure a mirror doesn't reflect cluttered areas, sharp features, or something unpleasant. Mirrors are also used to symbolically extend a missing area of the floor plan. Why would you do this? Because the missing area in certain important parts of the bagua may mean that you have decreased energy in wealth or relationships or helpful people, which are all important areas. Placing mirror on such walls will visually push the wall back, creating an illusion of increased space. My next favorite Feng Shui items are chandeliers. They are not only beautiful but uplift the energy of a space. I often see that some people have beautiful statement chandeliers in their entrances, which is great, but I also often see that some people have very small, understated lighting fixtures that don't even produce sufficient lighting. Entrance is one of those areas that you want to be well lit. This is where energy comes into the house, and from here it distributes throughout the house. If the area is well lit, it creates a sense of welcoming and abundance. Other good areas, of course, are dining rooms and living rooms. We love crystal chandeliers in Feng Shui because they radiate this sparkling, abundant and uplifting energy. But if your style is contemporary, I would suggest contemporary glass fixtures. They also have this rich, abundant, uplifting feel to them. I love using faceted crystals because they are super easy to use and they're universally appealing. In fact, they are used in those crystal chandeliers. They are typically made of glass and very inexpensive. Their best placement is hanging them in the window so the sun can shine on them. Only then do they produce rainbows. They sparkle. If you love diamonds, you will love crystals. You get this beautiful uplifting effect. You can place a crystal in any window so the sunlight can shine on it. You can also be more specific and place a crystal or two in those sectors of the boudoir or the rooms where you want to activate energy. If you don't want to hang them, you can use these beautiful lotus flowers that are made from faceted crystals. You can place them on window sills. If you hang a wind chime in the right spot, it can disperse stuck energy and invite fresh energy. They are especially useful near entrances, on the porches, and in the gardens. Do not hang them inside. They look out of place and they are not useful inside. Like the sun is needed to activate faceted crystals, the wind is needed to activate wind chimes. I have an entire video dedicated to crystals and wind chimes explaining how they work and where to place them. I will link it in the description if you'd like to learn more. Natural crystals or gemstones like amethyst, rose quartz, white quartz or citrine can bring some strong vibration of healing and natural beauty to any space. Rose quartz is very appropriate in a bedroom to bring vibration of love. White quartz is associated with purity and clarity. White quartz harmonizes the space. Amethyst, because of its color, is associated with prosperity and wealth. Citrine has grounding qualities of earth. Place them with the intention and they will strengthen the aura of your house. Metal brings refined energy and a different kind of beauty to our spaces. I love and often use metal wall art in my work. Especially people gravitate toward a tree of life, fish, or wall clocks. Do not use sharp metal art, but rounded or curvy shapes for harmony and balance. So there you have it. 9 good Feng Shui items that can bring beauty and good vibes to your home and more. When used with care and intention, they can really support the energy in your home and boost certain aspects of your life. By the way, many of the items that I mentioned in the video you can find in my Amazon store, which is linked in the description. I also shared links of water art from Etsy. Let me know in the comments below which items were your favorite, which ones you resonated the most. I'm sure some of them you already have. Let me know how you like them and how they work for you. Make sure to watch the first video, 11 items in your home that drain your energy. If you found this helpful, please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.